Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hello Children. In this video, we will study the articles. A, an and the are called articles. Articles are of two types. One is indefinite article, a or an. Second one is definite article, that is the. The indefinite article does not point out to a particular individual, thing, or place. The indefinite article a is used before words that starts with a consonant. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, etc. These letters have consonant sounds. Example, a bag, a tiger, a goat. We use a with the vowels that have consonant sounds. Examples, a university, a union, a 1 rupee coin. We do not use a before uncountable nouns. Water, milk, ink, rain, these nouns cannot be counted. And plural nouns, books, cars, leaves, etc. We can say a book, but we cannot say a books. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. First, let us learn the vowels. Which are the vowels in English alphabets? A, E, I, O, U. What is the sound of these vowels? A for apple. The sound of letter A is A. A for apple. E for egg. The sound of letter E is A. E for egg. What is the sound of letter I? The vowel sound of letter I is E. I for igloo. O, ostrich. The sound of letter O is O. O for ostrich. What is the sound of letter U? The vowel sound of letter U is A. U for up or umbrella. If the nouns starts with vowel, an comes before the nouns. For example, an actor, an eagle, an insect, an owl, an unhappy man. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. An is used before the words that have a silent H. For example, an hour, an honest man. We don't pronounce H in these both words. We use an before abbreviations that begin a vowel sound. Examples, she is an MA student. M begins with the vowel sound M. He is an NCC cadet. An LLB student at Nalsar University. An X-ray image. Now, article the. The definite article points out to one definite or a particular person, place or thing. Definite article the is used before nouns in the singular as well as in the plural. Definite article the is used in the following cases: to refer to a particular noun. For example, shut the box, a noun that stands for an entire group of its kind. For example, the rich are not always happy. Before the names of the rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, group of islands, gulfs, canals, plains, deserts, seasons and winds. For example, the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Himalayas, the Lakshadweep Islands, the Persian Gulf, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Sahara, the monsoon, etc. The is used before the names of holy books. For example, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Before an adjective of the superlative degree. For example, Aishwarya is the most beautiful girl in the class. He is the oldest man in the village. Before the names of the directions, communities, or class. For example, the North, the South, the French, the Sikhs. The is used before the ordinal numbers. For example, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So far, we learnt the articles and its uses. Now, let us learn omission of the articles. We do not use articles before uncountable and abstract nouns used in a general sense. For example, honesty is sweet, cleanliness is next to godliness. I love listening to music. Children are innocent. Computers are useful machines. Uncountable nouns take the article the when used in a particular sense. For example, would you pass the sugar? Where are the children playing? We do not use articles before the proper nouns. Names of holidays, countries, companies, universities, languages, etc. are all proper nouns. For example, India is a democratic country. I got a beautiful new dress for Christmas. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Bill Gates founded Microsoft. She goes to Oxford. They speak Kannada at home. We do not use articles before some locations, streets, and some places. For example, I left my book at home. I usually go to church on Sundays. My office is located on Main Street. Sports and other physical activities do not need an article. For example, I play football every day after school. She does yoga 3 times in a week. Acronyms. An acronym is an abbreviation of a name. It uses the first letter of each word to form a new word. We should not use the if the acronym pronounced as a word. For example, UNESCO was formed in 1946. ISRO was founded in 1969. We need to use the before acronyms when the letters are pronounced individually, not as a word. For example, the UN, the FBI, the US. I hope you understood the articles clearly. Now, fill up the blanks with a, an, and the. The first one is Picasso was dash artist. What is the answer? An. I have already given the answer in the bracket. Picasso was an artist. Second, he is dash honest man. The answer is an. He is an honest man. Third, we used to live in dash city center. The answer is the. We used to live in the city center. Fourth, are you dash teacher? What is the answer? A. Are you a teacher? Fifth, it takes me dash hour to get to work. What is the answer? An. It takes me an hour to get to work. Sixth one, I have dash 1 year old son. What is the answer? A. I have a 1 year old son. Seventh, he comes from dash ordinary family. What is the answer? An. He comes from an ordinary family. Eighth, children like dash sweets. Here, article is not necessary. Children like sweets. Ninth, how does he go to dash university? Here also there is no necessity of article. How does he go to university? The last one is dash Nile is in Egypt. What is the answer? The. Nile is a river, so the Nile is in Egypt. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.